Ever heard of Xero? This powerful accounting software is revolutionizing the way businesses manage their finances. But here's the burning question. Is Xero strictly an online platform? Can you use it offline? Let's dive in and find out. In today's digital age, cloud-based software is becoming increasingly popular. Xero, with its sleek interface and user-friendly features, is a prime example. But what if your internet connection is unstable? What if you're traveling and need to access your financial data? These are valid concerns, and that's exactly what we're going to address today. Addressing the core question, is Xero online only? The short answer is, yes, Xero is primarily an online accounting software. Cloud-based system. Xero operates on a cloud-based system. This means all your financial data is stored securely on Xero's servers, accessible from anywhere with an internet connection. Benefits of cloud-based. Accessibility. Work from anywhere, your office, home, or even on the go. Real-time collaboration. Collaborate seamlessly with your accountant, bookkeeper, or other team members. Automatic updates. Xero automatically updates its software, ensuring you always have the latest features and security enhancements. Disaster recovery. Your data is backed up regularly and securely by Xero, minimizing the risk of data loss. Limitations of online-only. Internet dependency. As mentioned, a stable internet connection is crucial for using Xero effectively. Offline access limitations. While some basic viewing might be possible with a limited offline mode, most features will be unavailable. Exploring offline options. Limited. While Xero is primarily online, there are some limited offline options. Offline viewing. Xero allows you to view some data offline. This can be helpful for reviewing reports or invoices when you're not connected to the internet. However, you won't be able to make any changes or enter new transactions. Xero mobile app. The Xero mobile app offers some basic functionality offline. You can view invoices, track expenses, and approve bills even without an internet connection. However, these features are limited compared to the full online version. Tips for managing offline challenges. Reliable internet. Invest in a stable and reliable internet connection for your business. Consider options like fiber optic or business-grade internet. Mobile hotspot. Have a mobile hotspot as a backup for those times when your primary internet connection is down. Plan ahead. If you know you'll be working offline, download any necessary reports or data beforehand. Utilize offline features. Take advantage of the limited offline features offered by Xero, such as viewing invoices and tracking expenses. Alternatives for offline accounting needs. If offline access is a critical requirement for your business, you might want to consider exploring alternative accounting software options. Some accounting software offers desktop versions that can be used entirely offline. However, keep in mind that desktop software may not have the same level of integration, automation, and real-time collaboration features as cloud-based solutions like Xero. The future of Xero and offline capabilities. Xero is constantly evolving and improving. While the focus remains on its cloud-based platform, it's possible that future updates may expand offline capabilities. Keep an eye on Xero's product roadmap and release notes for any new offline features or enhancements. Is Xero online only? Essentially, yes. While there are some limited offline viewing and basic functionality, Xero primarily operates as a cloud-based accounting software. The benefits of cloud-based technology, such as accessibility, collaboration, and automatic updates, are significant. However, it's crucial to have a reliable internet connection to maximize Xero's potential. If you're considering Xero for your business, carefully evaluate your internet connectivity needs and explore the available offline options. Consider your workflow and determine if the limited offline functionality will meet your requirements. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.